Hi, welcome back everyone. Today is the 15th of March 2021 and we are back again. So today I'm going to do just two trades. One of them is the Palantir because I own 200 shares of Palantir, and the call strike that I sell has just expired last week. So 2 weeks ago I sell 30 call strike because I own the 200 share that expired last Friday for 71 cents. I sell 2 contracts, so that expired. So today I'm going to look to sell the call again for Palantir. So let's just take a look at the Palantir. And selling a call is in fact a very good strategy to me because I don't really know when do I sell a stock. That means if I purchase a stock, in fact, I own 200 shares of the Palantir at $25. So when is a good time to sell Palantir away? Even though I have a profit now, $25 at 27, so I'm having a $200 plus profit per 100 share. So I'm having about $400-500 profit right now. So when is a good time to sell? Should I sell the Palantir right now at 27? Or should I wait until 30? Or maybe 35 or 40? Of course, we all want to sell high. But how high can Palantir go in the future? Not the past, because past is historical, but in the future. Next week, next month, we do not really know. So I like to sell call to let the stock get called away. So there's 2 options that I can do right now. There is selling this Friday expiry option for 1%. I aim to collect 1% premium. So at least if I don't get called out, I still get to make 1% from the premium. So if I'm looking at 1% at about 30 cents, then I probably can go for 29.5 strike call for this week. Or how about next week? Next week, then I would want to collect 2% because I will aim to collect 1% a week. So for Palantir, collecting a 2%, that will bring me to about 30.5 strike. So that is not bad to me because if I can sell at 30.5 strike, and if this stock were to get called away within the next 2 weeks, then that's good. Because from $25 to 30.5, that is about $550 per contract. So I have 2 contracts, that is about $1,000. That's good. So in fact, I wanted it to get called out. So I will just do the trade here, selling 2 contracts of the call at the 30.5 strike. So I'm done at 63 cents. But let me just double confirm it. So I own 200 shares and I sell 2 30.5 call. So everything is good for Palantir. So I'll just wait for the market to go up and get called out, hopefully. That's the ideal scenario. So this is my current Palantir trade. So today I sell 2 call at 30.5 strike for 63 cents each. So that brings my average price down to 22.4. So in fact, if the stock were to get called away at 30.5, that's good because I get to make $800 per contract. So 2 contracts, I'll make about $1,600 on Palantir trade. So that is set to go. If not, I will just continue to sell call every 2 weeks. And let's take a look at the market right now. On the Nasdaq, because the S&P 500 I think is doing well. For the ES, because it did try to break the last time high. It didn't manage to, but right now it's on the high side. So S&P, I believe they'll attempt to break another high. Hopefully it will go through. But of course, we don't really know, because at this level, it is also the resistance level. If we can't break through, then the market will have to come down. I don't wish to see that. And then for the Nasdaq, there's a pretty strong resistance at the 13,000. I was actually hoping for Nasdaq to break above 13,000, but it didn't. So now all I can do is I try to close off some position away when there's a good opportunity. If not, I will just continue to hold on all the trade. Most of the trade is quite alright at this moment. And today there's another trade that I want to do, which is the AAL. This is the American Airline stock. Oh yes, went up quite a fair bit because I noticed it last weekend, but today opened up, so it actually went up quite a fair bit. It's a waste I didn't manage to go in on last Friday because I didn't notice this stock. But let's take a look at the AAL chart. So during the COVID period, the low was about $10 plus, and then all-time high, or not the all-time high, but the last few years high was 56. And we can't use the high previously because that is not fair. What we want is the stock to go up, but of course how far it can go up we don't know. But I wanted to place a bet on the American Airline is because I believe the airline industry is going to get better. With the coronavirus getting under control and people are getting vaccinated, and travel will be resumed. It may not be like before the COVID-19 period, but at least if the travel can resume within the United States itself, that's pretty good. If their sales can pick up by another 20-30%, that's a very positive news for the airline. So this, we'll have to go for the longer term plan because the travel won't resume next week or next month. Biden has said that they will get most of the adults vaccinated by May, early May. So if that is true, then we can see some of the travel being resumed in June or July. Even if not, I mean, if there's a delay, then even by the end of the year, I believe the airline industry will kick off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a put on American Airline. So looking at 2 weeks, I wanted to go pretty near. I wanted to get the stock at about 23. So I think I'll just go for a 24 put, because 24 put, then I can get about 80 cents. And then that will bring my average price to about $23 plus. And that is pretty much what I want. I will just do one contract, just for the fun of it. So that is the trade I do today, and I sell it at 24 put for 82 cents. So that is my new trade for American Airline today. Selling put to open at 24 strike at 82 cents. I'm sorry for some of the naming convention. I'm not consistent. I'm still trying to tidy up all my trade, but just bear with me for the next 1 or 2 months going forward. So that's all I have for today, and I'm not going to open up a lot of other trade because I wanted to wait for some of the trade to expire worthless. There's a pretty good chance that because this Friday there's a lot of option that is going to expire. Unity
looks like it's going to expire worthless, which is good. Then I can decide if I want to go in again or not. And then WOOF Petco, I hope this will expire worthless, and I'll probably leave this stock alone for a while, and then we'll see what other stock that I can do. If not, everything is set to go for today and I'm done. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.